she's trying to take a bath, but she's like a little bit scared. And they're going crazy. Okay. Yeah, they're trying to take a bath. Oh, look, he's trying to take a bath. Oh, that's nice. I never saw him take a bath ever. Which is bad, because, I don't know. They're acting so funny. They're just rubbing their heads on the water. Whenever I bring water, they just start to get crazy. I don't know why. Two are just fighting. Come on, just go in the winter. Oh, yeah, you're going in. Just go in the water. There's nothing to be afraid of. Go in the water. Go in the water. Come on, hurry. Just for one step. You're so over dramatic. Look at him being crazy walking down the wall. It's so weird. They want to take a bath. I don't know why. Oh, they're taking a bath. Yay! Oh. Except she's not like going all in. Like going like half of the body. Yay! She almost went in. Oh my god! This time I just put it this way. She has much more room. She went all in. Oh my god, they wet the stick in their food. Oh, she's going all in now. But she's doing it step by step though. Because she's already bathed, I think. Her belly's like wet. Oh, here comes Oscar. Look at them, they're so cute when they take a bath. Oh, look at the blue and just resting over there. She's not really resting, she's like playing around. They love to play around. This was just so sassy. Oh. Is he gonna take a bath? The sun came. It's very bright. I don't, it can show in camera, but it's very bright outside. Just put it, oh, I wanna, let me just put this over there. Let's see what it is. Oh my god, they're fighting right now. And you might say in the comments that why, because the green one's a boy, but his nose is pink. So he got a medical condition that allows his nose to be pink. Oh, she's doing it again, I guess. But look at her, oh my god. Oh, someone poked me in the finger. That hurt a little bit. Oh, she's splashing water all over me. Oh, look at her. She's just rubbing the water all over her. Oh! She just rolled in the water. Oh, they're fighting. Oh my god, they dropped water everywhere. Oh my god, now they're making the water fight. Don't know why. Oh my gosh. It's crazy.